How to find when you became friends with someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find when you became friends with someone on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Facebook doesn't give you an accurate data as to which date, what time, where did you become friends with someone on Facebook. That's just something that Meta doesn't provide you by default. But instead, what you can do is instead of trying to find out when you became friends on Facebook, you can see whether they became recently or whether there were some old friends with you, because you can sort them out from newest to oldest or vice versa. And in order to do this, you can go ahead and then open the Facebook application, and then after that, tap the friends icon from the top of the screen and just go to your friends. These are the list of friends that you've added, but you want to find out who were the recent friends, who were the old friends, and who did you accept first as your friend. To do this, tap the sort option from the top right up side of the screen right here. Once you tap the sort option, you'll find newest friends list and you'll find earliest friends list. So newest friends list basically means that these are the list of all the friends that you've added on Facebook just recently, right after that. So from the top, that is the newest one, moving down to the oldest. If you want to do it from an opposite manner, from earliest friends, then these were your first friends on Facebook, and when you scroll down, these are all the old friends on your Facebook account. So this way you can basically find out when you became friends with someone on Facebook, but bottom line is that you can sort them from newest to oldest, but not the exact date. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.